Yes, my name is Akin Phillips. Now brought you to an haven where you can call home, a place where your kid can call home, a place where you can gladly bring your friends, bring your family, a secured environment. Welcome to Capital Garden. Here we have a very serene estate here. It's built by one of the best and foremost developer. He has been building, and I can assure you that in this estate you have the best of infrastructures. The location is close to the Ibeju-Lekki, the deep sea port, the Dangote refinery. Imagine you having a property closest to the biggest refinery, not just in Nigeria but in Africa. That would be one of the best choices you could make. This property will appreciate so much in value. You have, if it's for business, you have a lot of prospects that will be yearning to have a feel, to have one of your properties as a landlord. Let's check this out and what we have here at Capital Gardens. Let's see. Welcome to Capital Gardens. As you can see, quality and detailed finishing in this building. We have at Pinewest will bring you quality and nothing but quality, because our experiences, the experience of living is the reasons why people keep buying from the Pinewest brand. And as you can see, if you want it fully finished, then we can talk about that. But the house comes fully finished but not furnished. So you can see the detailing in the walls, the concrete walls. So this is the living area. So you can see we have an open kitchen here. This is an open kitchen. This is a Western standard. So see how beautiful it is. So this is the dining section. So you can your mindset. So don't carry on that. So this is one of the guest rooms. You can see how spacious it is. You have a closet. Those are quality doors. Let's show that the bedroom. It's very nice and spacious too. So we can go upstairs to see. So this is one of the rooms. You can see beautiful artwork. This is one of the rooms upstairs. Show the bedroom. So let's check the other rooms. This is the master's bedroom. You can see how colorful it is. And this is the bedroom too. Yeah. Have a see-through where you can, from your balcony, you can, look down to the living room, and this is like a lounge, a big family lounge. There's no plenty of brought to Capital Gardens that is not wild. You know why? Because some of them have had one accountants, and they are just looking for a place where they can really call home, that is affordable, that has good delivery, and the developer is somewhere that under promise and over delivers. And we have good payment plan structure here at Capital Gardens. We have 2-bed terrace with a BQ, we have 3-bed terrace, and we have 3-bed semi-detached. All comes at outright payment, and if you want a payment plan, you can do 30% initial deposit, and you can spread your payment as long as maybe 3 months to 12 months. And it's to make life easier for you. This property is located at Eleko area that is close to the proposed international airport. We have good landmark around. It's a place where if you are walking, before you know it, like 5 to 10 minutes to the coastal road to link up, maybe to VI, to Lekki. So it's easy accessibility actually. And if you are going out of Lagos, maybe to Ibadan or from here to Ekpe, it's just about 10 minutes. So what are you waiting for? This is one of the best properties you can get in Lagos. Good title, quality delivery, standard house, spacious homes. It's a place where your children will be so glad. So here at Capital Gardens, we have 3-bed semi-detached duplexes, we have 3-bed terraces, we have 2-bed terraces with BQ, and with less than 120 million, right? You can get a beautiful edifice and get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units more. Yeah, you know why? Aside being residential, you can use them for investment. The Dangote refinery staff, expatriates, they will be needing houses, and that's a good cash flow, right? You can have it for investment, you can have it as your own residential building. It has a nice community, situated in a nice environment, and the best of amenities are here, be it swimming pool, the football pitch, the basketball pitch. These things that make living sweet and beautiful. And here we have good title, we have good land title, and it's not flooded, it's in a flood-free zone. And this developer is a very well reputable developer that has been building for the past 20 years. So of course, he knows his onion. In his area of his estate, none of the estate floods. So they do well underground drainage systems. So here at Capital Gardens, you have all of these, and at a very, very affordable price. And if you want a payment plan, you can do 30% initial deposit and spread payment between 3 to 12 months as you suit. Call the numbers on your screen. We'll be glad to make you a landowner, a serial investor at Capital Gardens. My name is Ake Phillips, and I'll be glad to move your capital here. Use your 1 or 2 to make 1,000. Thank you so much. I'll be glad to hear from you.